Hello everybody and welcome to Dynamic Motors. Another beautiful day in Clearwater, Florida, and today we're gonna do a walk around cold start of this 2001 Chevrolet Corvette, stick shift manual transmission, convertible. This one has 125,000 miles, I believe. Car is in pretty good shape, runs and drives well, AC blows ice cold, clutch is good, transmission shifts well, engine performs great. So really nice car. All right, let's open it up. Okay, I'll show you a few blemishes, a few imperfections. So as you can see, the car starts well. ABS system needs service, but from what I see, it does not affect handling, so it drives really nice. So car needs an ABS unit. The actual miles is 128,506. Okay, AC blows ice cold. Okay. Runs smooth, no misfires, no shakings, no vibrations. Okay. Engine is nice and clean. Lights are working properly. Close, open, close. So that works good. So let me open up the top for you. There's a couple of hinges from both sides. There's another one here. Okay, and I'm doing it with one hand. Alright, so I'm gonna fold this one up. Okay. We're gonna release this section. Here we go. This opens. This folds. And top is locked. Tires are in good shape. Right. Give us a call with any questions, or just stop by at 1945 Sunset Point Road, Clearwater, Florida, or visit us on the website at dynamicmotorsflorida.com. All right, we do financing and we ship nationwide and worldwide. Thank you guys.